This is the video guide dedicated to help you remove malicious pop-ups by the site whatevery.club. Now, the website is dangerous because it tries to infect your browser with the feature of very intrusive push notifications. So if you actually obey the misleading guidelines by these pop-ups, you may end up experiencing a lot of problems. So I strongly advise you not to trust all these faulty alerts and these misleading messages by these pop-ups. They might tell you that you need to click on allow to verify your age or to prove that you are not a robot or for some other reasons, but believe me, in reality, clicking on the allow button will lead to the immediate status of browser hijacking. If you have done that by mistake, no problem, you need to immediately fix it. Go to the menu, settings, then site settings and notifications. Now check the allow section and remove all suspicious sites here from the list. As soon as all these malicious sites are removed, the problem should be fixed, but I also suggest double checking your Mac additionally with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on this page, combocleaner.com. Download the software and then start scanning your Mac computer with it. The program Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. However, it also has got some absolutely free features. And after you click on Start Combo Scan, the program will perform free scanning of your Mac computer. And at the end of the video, you'll find out how to remove some threads manually and for free. So this is the end of scanning of our Mac computer by Combo Cleaner antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, the program performs scanning and analysis of your Mac computer. You may click on the antivirus area and then click on the link review results to see the exact threats and their exact location. And then you may click on this special icon that says Show in Finder. This will show you the location of each specific threads in Finder, and you may move this thread manually to the trash. What's good about Combo Cleaner, even the trial mode of it, is that it gives you the exact location and helps you remove each thread one at a time. Or, of course, you may get rid of all threads altogether automatically, but with the premium version only.